Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das. So here's a quick short video discussing one of the PYQs which came last year in ZAT. So here in this one, if we read this, we will realize what's happening. And मैं इसको एकदम short video रखने वाली हूँ because what I aim at is just highlighting the keywords and letting you know that without even knowing the meaning of the words or really understanding the context of the poem, it's completely possible for all my friends out there to answer all the questions with accuracy. So let's see how to do this. The first one is let's read it quickly. In the darkened room, a woman cannot find her reflection in the mirror. Waiting as usual at the edge of the sleep, in her hand she holds the oil lamp whose drunken yellow flames know where her lonely body hides. So I have just highlighted the things which I felt important. Now let's find out or mark it how it can be the answer of our question. So the question number 1 says, which of the following statement best conveys the theme of the poem? So you all know that whenever we are answering a question of themes, we understand that हमें पूरी idea चाहिए. So whatever idea is being reflected over here, we need to use that. So the first option says that the poem explores the quality of life of a woman. No, no, no. That laments the suffering and frustration of the woman. No, no, no. Celebrates futile and meaningless life. No, no, no. But when we revolve around whose liberty has been throttled, थोड़ा सा मुझे डाउट हुआ था ये ऑप्शन पढ़ के, बट व्हेन आई रेड ऑप्शन ई दैट इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड वुमेन्स फीलिंग ऑफ एलियनेशन, trust me, I could understand that यहाँ पर ना there was a major serious keyword which was helping me to fix my answer as E, and I'll tell you the reason why. Feeling of alienation is the lonely body. Okay, liberty throttle का lonely से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. So therefore alienation is directly related. So that is the right answer of this question as well. So देख सकते हो आप कैसे बिना पूरी poem समझे ही बस एक ऑप्शन के हेल्प से और एक वर्ड के हेल्प से you can find out the answer so easily. And if you go to the second question that says, what is the meaning of the line, the drunken yellow flames know where her lonely body hides? Lonely body है, ठीक है, तो I am definitely searching for a word which is talking about alienation as in the previous question. So here's a word called solitude. But here's another keyword which I want to bring your attention to, that is aware. So the flames know where the lonely body hides. So they are aware of her solitude, lonely body, right? This is matching with this and this plus is matching with this plus. So far my correct answer, but I'll still check the other answers. Options, the line represent flames as turbulent emotions of a nameless woman. Not really. No emotions are being highlighted. This flame highlight the location of a body. No. The flames represent distorted memories. No memories. It's a waiting period. And lines represent flames as desperate pursuit of a lost self. Now, lost को lost से मिलाने की एक फ्यूटाइल कोशिश की गई है. उन्हें पता नहीं है ना कि प्रियाशा दास का चैनल भी देखते हैं ज़ैट के एस्पिरेंट्स, तो इसीलिए ऑप्शन ई इज डेफिनेटली नॉट गोना बी द आंसर एंड वी गोना सैटिस्फाई आवरसेल्व्स विद ऑप्शन ए एज द आंसर. तो देखा, बिना पोएम का रियल मीनिंग जाने बस दो कीवर्ड्स के हेल्प से आप दो फटाफट राइट आंसर्स निकाल सकते हो. बट इतनी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको कहाँ मिलती है? ये सब कुछ आपको सिर्फ एक जगह पे मिलती है, दैट इज प्रियाशा दास का चैनल और उसका टेलीग्राम और इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल. डोंट फॉरगेट टू जॉइन दीज फ्री चैनल्स राइट नाउ एंड गेट द एंटायर बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट. एंड मुझसे कोई पर्सनलाइज सवाल पूछना हो तो इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम करो या अनस्टॉप पे मीटिंग अपलोड मीटिंग शेड्यूल कर लो. दैट्स हाउ इजिली यू कैन गेट इन टच विथ मी. सो टेक केयर एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन पढ़ते रहो, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो और मैं तो बस पढ़ने ही बोलूंगी. टेक केयर, बाय बाय, थैंक यू.